Hi guys, welcome back to class of learning. You're with Rahul Sharma, your friend and guide. And this class is all about Bege 106, how to prepare for this particular video, and why I've been making this video. That the question comes in mind of lots of students. Again and again, I've been saying that this video will change your entire thoughts for this particular paper. When somebody says that Bege 106 is the toughest paper for English honors students of IGNOU, I must say they are not wrong. Seriously, they are not wrong. You need to work as much as our MA English students have to work for their toughest paper in MA English. I must say that more than that. Yes, the more than that for that particular paper that I'm talking about MBG 01, but here we are talking about Bege 106. Why we need to work so hard and what are the basic things that we need to keep in mind while preparing for this particular paper. So the first thing that comes in mind, that how are we able to crack everything from the beginning till the last of this particular paper. Guys, you need to know one thing, that we have to do the entire course of this particular paper. We cannot leave the certain parts. When somebody says that you can skip this part or that part or that part, sorry, this is not possible for this particular paper. So how are we going to prepare, and what are the basic terms that we need to keep in mind while preparing for this paper? And one more thing guys, I really don't want to make you depressed or demoralized by saying all this. But for the sake of beginning, you need to do everything for this paper. And I really promise you, if you work hard for this paper, you're going to get lots of things for your future. How? I'll let you know one thing, that first of all, you guys need to know about the basic structure of this particular paper. This structure or this paper structure covers everything in English literature, especially those really want to have a future in English language, such as want to be a lecturer of English language or want to teach in a good universities. You guys need to clear from the very beginning till the last, such as the early modern English poets. So we need to cover the Chaucer and all the prominent poets. Those are the era of Chaucer. Yes, we need to do all that, and these all are going to be very helpful for your net JRF preparation. Yes, they're going to help very much over there. And then we come to the 18th century poets. So these are the poets are known as the jewels of English language. These are. And how are we going to deal all this, and what are the basic terms? Are we going to remember all the characters of different eras or these poets, how they all write, and what are the basic concept to follow? I'm not really mentioning the name of all the poets because it's not possible to cover up everything in this short span of time. Because I'm not going to stress this video till the 30 minutes or 40 minutes or 1 hour. Sorry, it's been max to max 10 to 15 minutes. So we need to cover up everything. You guys must have your own syllabus in your hand while you're watching this video. You need to clear one thing, that whether you've been interested to get the notes, it's good. You can get the notes, the number was there, but while getting the notes, you need to know that you have to do each and every point. Yes, I'm here to assist you by my videos and all the help that you want. But for that, the first thing I really want you guys to do is to have a faith on yourself and adjust. That yes, we are going to do each and every part in details. The first thing that I really want you guys to work out the early modern English poets. Why I've been giving stress to these? Because one question is confirmed that going to come in a paper from this block. I repeat my words, one confirmed question would be there in the examination from this particular block, the early modern English poets. Then jump to the second part, that's the 18th century poets, and now I'll come to romantics. I come to romantics while leaving really the 18th century poets. Really, they are the good poets, those who are in there. But really, I need to come here because I need to say something, that when I'm talking romantics, I need to do everything from college. Oh, I must say that I need to go to Wordsworth or Blake. And when I'm talking to Blake, the songs of innocence, songs of experience are really the dominant one. You cannot avoid the really white on Blake or the college or the Wordsworth. You guys need to do Dejection, yes, the Kubla Khan, and the Rime of Ancient Mariner, college work. You must go with that. Time to deal with the next part, that is the Great Victorians. It's all about Victorian poets. How we can really just escape the Great Victorian poets? We cannot. We have to deal with Great Victorians, and then there come the two parts, the modernists and postmodernists. such the work of the wasteland by the T.S. Eliot, the masterpiece, and then we have the modernist. The loss of dominant poets, Sylvia Plath was there, then we do have the certain good names. Those have a great sort of poetry in their collections. And one more thing guys, when you've been preparing for this paper, you need to know what does mean by the poet, what does mean by the prosodic features of poetry. You need to know the prose, you need to know the style, the certain sonnets and how they all been arranged, what was the meter and how the meters been formed, what are the basic principles. These all things do come along with the poetry. So here you just need not to study poetry, you guys need to know how the poetry is being formed, what are the basic principles behind all these poetries to be formed. And then we'll come to the next one, the American and the one that you cannot leave, the Indian writing, the Indian poets. So one thing, you guys, if you really want to score 80 or 90 in this particular paper, you need to score the first Indian, because one question 100% there from the Indian poets. The second, I told you earlier that the early modern poets, then we have the romantics, the modernist poet. Now I'll come to the basic point, how to prepare, the step-by-step preparation for this particular paper Bege 106 and how you guys are going to rock in this paper. Okay, I'm not using Hindi for the certain request. Again and again, those are given to me. Yes, sir, please come with the certain videos where you're going to use English language. So it's very easy. And those who are really want me to speak in Hindi, please do watch my videos. There are already the videos those are in Hindi. So now guys, first thing I really want you to do is to clear these facts. The first thing, write down please, the prosodic feature. The one question 100% will come for a prosodic feature. You need to find the prosodic feature from the certain poetries or the certain text or the certain sense of the poetry that will come in a paper. I repeat, now what does mean the prosodic feature and how to get the prosodic feature. For that you can go and watch that video. I have already uploaded that video. You can clear all your doubts while watching that video and please watch till the end. The maximum of the students, those watch the video for 1 or 2 minutes and then just leave the video and move to other parts. Sorry guys, this is not a way to study. When you really want to get everything, you need to go through the flow. And the flow comes up till the last. So guys, please do follow the video till the last. It's been over. Yes, in some videos I have used certain Hindi words because my viewers are both really in Hindi and English origin. So I need to say all these. But this video I've been making especially for those who will not be able to crack Hindi in a better manner. So guys, this is for you. Time to jump to the other part. So first, what I've told you, the prosodic features. This what I really want you people to do. You need to crack the prosodic feature, how the prosodic feature are being worked out, and then come to the next part. That is all about the short notes. So it be a first A and then we have the short notes. What is short notes? It can be about the certain poets, it can be about the poetries or the poems in new course. They can ask a certain short notes on the basis of your reading. Then you need to give the answer, the prosodic feature along with the short notes. Then will come with the next and the most probable question, that is RTCs. What does mean by RTCs? Reference to context. Here you need to find out the certain poetry. When you are able to crack that poetry, you need to jump to the other part, the reference, the poet and the poetry, and then come to the context from where that part was being taken and then explanation. You guys need to give that complete explanation so that everybody should know that what is the basic theme of that part, and then come to critical appreciation if you really want that to come. And then along with this, you can have the long questions. Now what does mean by these long questions? What are the topics? Really, we need to know that what are the topics that comes in the long question. First, from the Indian origin, the Indian writing, the certain poetry, the basic assessment that was being given there, or the basic stanza that was really the poet want to deliver over there. So the long question means come from the Indian poets. It can come first. Then the second we need to know is all about the romantics. the early modern poetry, so these three are the dominant when talking about long questions. And then we have the Victorians. In that you need to prepare the critical appreciation or critical assessment of the certain poetries and test. I repeat, the critical assessment of the certain poetries, maybe the Kubla Khan, maybe the Krishna, or we do have Wasteland, or some of the Canterbury Days. It can be. Then again, the second question would be about the poets, the work of poets, what they done, what are the basic bibliographies or their autobiographies they can ask. So you need to prepare that too. And then come to the next one, that is really all about the achievement of poets. The last question must be all about the achievement of certain poets. So these can be the questions that would come in your examinations. So now the question really big is how we should study. How would start study for this particular paper BEG 106? First of all, go from basics and then go to the advanced level, and the basics start with the prosodic features. Remember, before starting the preparation, final preparation of this paper, you guys first of all need to clear your concept of prosodic features. What do you mean by the prosodic features of the poetry and how will be the master over this? So I hope you have watched the video till now. So need to subscribe the channel immediately and press the like button if you think it's worth to watch, and then share with the other people those really involved. And guys, make sure that you people can change the complete scenario for your study or the way you study by just following the points that have been mentioned in this video. You can watch by subscribing the channel and press that notification button so that you would not miss any of the video. Bye guys.